Today I'm doing brakes on a friend's 535 XI F10. One thing I noticed is the reservoir is full. When you compress the pistons on the caliper, it's going to have the fluid go back into the reservoir and then it can overflow. You don't want that because then it leaks down, can get in the paint in that area, make the paint bubble. So the first thing I need to do is take this cover off right here to expose the brake fluid reservoir. These are just push pins, so you just need a fork tool and lift up these push pins, plastic push pins, to remove this cover to have access to the brake reservoir. Okay, just peel this up along the seal. There are some clips that kind of locate it over the reinforcement bar, which gives you access to the reservoir, which is right here. I'm going to open up the reservoir, put that aside. Now you can use a turkey baster or whatever vacuum device you have. Now you see the bright light. I'm actually using the light behind the reservoir, which illuminates it so that you can see the level better. And then when I compress the pistons on the front calipers, it will then fill up the reservoir, and then when I'm done I will top off as needed. Some final steps: make sure to refill your brake fluid reservoir, put it back to max, and then I'm going to step on the brakes a few times before putting the vehicle in gear to prevent it from taking off on you. So make sure to pump the brakes whenever you do brakes before you put it in gear.